No predictions, no crystal ball, but there's always a plan. Let's prepare for the week ahead by looking at Bitcoin, the Nasdaq 100 and gold. I'll show you my preferred scenarios and the trade setups I'm looking into right now. Welcome back to Panthi's Perpetuals. In this series, I'm showing you what I'm holding, what I'm watching, and where I'm wrong. This is not financial advice. This is about my process, positioning, and mistakes. Last time we were on the gold chart, I was looking for a bigger bounce right here, but it didn't happen. That means I simply didn't open any position. No win, no loss, just staying flat. After revising the chart structure, I now prefer this entire fractal to form a larger wave 3. We could see one more low, but it's not really needed. So based on the idea that the low is in, the ideal price area to look for a continuation short would be around 4.2k, and the target for this entire structure did not change. Nasdaq 100 has not given us any major impulsive structure just yet. That's why I'm currently watching two different setups. If the green scenario plays out like that and we manage to form a slightly higher high, I'm looking to short that back into resistance. However, if instead the orange one plays out like this, and we form 5 waves to the downside into support, I'm looking to position long. It's that simple. Similar to gold, I was looking for a bit of a bigger bounce on the Bitcoin chart, but it didn't happen. Based on the price action we have now on the chart, I'm currently tracking these two scenarios, and honestly I don't have a strong preference. In the lower time frame, I think it's very much possible that we end up forming one more lower low. And the reason for that is that I'm looking for a 5-wave move to the downside, and so far it looks more like a 3-wave move. So we could be seeing a little bit of a bounce and another rejection. By the way, I do share daily Bitcoin charts on the lower time frames over on my X. Feel free to check it out. So the setup for the Bitcoin chart is a swing long position once we complete the suggested 5-wave structure to the downside. In both the orange and the purple scenario, we would expect a bounce at some point. However, if the purple scenario comes through, the bounce would be quite shallow. And we can use that information to determine our take profit levels once a local low has formed. That's all the charts today. This week I've been on a little bit of a break-even streak, so I ended up taking long positions on Hype, Solana, XRP, and Bitcoin, mostly based on the previous videos I shared. But as you can see, 3 out of 4 got stopped out at break-even, and the last one didn't hit TP1 yet, so let's see how that goes. But this is going to be it for me today. Have a great week and stay prepared, not biased.